Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to use the Instagram bot to change the username, name, and bio for your accounts. First, I will open the MKT Insta tool. Today, I will change the account list in this category section. I will update the information for accounts from number 1 to number 7. Now, I will open an account first. You just need to right-click, then log in like this. These accounts currently have names and usernames that are not synchronized. Now, I will synchronize the usernames and names. And I will also add bios for these accounts. Okay, after logging in successfully, I will go to the Account Features tab. Select Change Account Information. Then choose the account category that you want to edit. For example, I have many categories here, but today I will change this specific account category from Account 1 to Account 7. After selecting the accounts, I will look to the right side. Here, I choose Change Account Information and select Personal Account. Here, I will change both the name and the username, so I will select both options. You just need to enter the new name list that you want to apply here. For example, I will enter it now. Each name should be on a separate line for each account. I will set the names like this. You can add many names, and the bot will automatically assign them from top to bottom. After entering the names, I will scroll down. Next, I will enter the usernames. Each line will contain a different username. I will also enable the option to automatically delete after the bot changes successfully. For the bio section, I will use the spin format. The bot will automatically choose one of these contents and add it to the bio for you. Okay, after finishing the settings for the bio, the name, and the username, I just need to click Start to let the accounts work automatically. You can track the progress of the changes here. When an account name is changed successfully, the bot will automatically update the new name in this column. Now I will minimize this section. Please note that you should use the accounts on the device for at least about 2 weeks before starting to make changes. The names and bios have been changed successfully, but the usernames have not been changed yet. I will run the username change separately. In the Change Username section, I will change one account at a time to avoid duplicate usernames that could cause errors. Now I will start again. You can follow the changing process directly on the screen. If you have any questions about the Instagram automation bot, you can leave a comment below or contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next videos.